Hey girl boss, this video is for all of my girls out there who want to design a website that is cute, functional, and just cute and functional. so um, I think that you should be able to have functionality and a nice design. So with that being said, I'm going to present to you the hybrid approach. This is when you use Showit for the design and Shopify for the e-commerce. So these two platforms together work really well. So I was designing a website for a new brand called the Edit Label, and I was designing it on Shopify, as you can see. So right here, this is the hero section. And as you can see, these colors are clashing with the background video. So when you go to the desktop view, I'm sorry, the mobile view, you can't see the colors at all. So I'm not a coder. I'm sure a lot of people who have businesses are not coding. We just, want to promote our website and our products and our business without all the without all the other tech stuff. So I'm like, okay, let me try Shopify. Well, I'm building this on Shopify, and I'm like, oh, let me try Shopify. So I'm on Shopify building, and I'm like, oh, see, this is why I design on Showit. So this was the first red flag. I'm like, okay, I'm not a coder, and I want these colors to be separate because this. And I also want to move this up. So if it was up here, then that would be okay for it to be black. But it's not allowing me to move it up any further, which is annoying. Another thing is the colors. The colors are off. I want to be able to have this black and up here, and then have this on the mobile white, and it can stay right here. So, of course, once again, I'm like, also, I wanted to have this text be this font be another font that I love, and that is the font's this brand's main font. So I'm like, okay, that's three things. So I started doing a lot of coding with ChatGPT as my assistant, and it was just getting nowhere. It was able to change the font, but it only put the font right here, and it took me all day. I still didn't get where I needed to, and I said, you know what, we're building this on Showit because, of course, as everyone knows, I love Showit. You can do what you need to do, and you can add your Shopify buy button, and there you go. You have a designed website, drag and drop freedom, exactly how you want it. And you can also just add your products in and still use Shopify to process your payment. So that is what I did. As you can see here on the desktop, we have the writing right here on the white, so it's not no clashing. So once you go and preview it, everything is perfect, exactly how I need it to look. Okay, and then on the desktop view, it is another color. So that is why I like Showit, because these right here, these are two different. So I did what I do, I did a hero, and then I have the hero with this writing right here, and I just took it off of the desktop. So you can do that on Showit. You can have writing that only shows up on the menu. I'm sorry, the desktop view, and you have writing that only shows up on the mobile. So that lets you get it exactly how you want. And this button, it's only showing up on the desktop, as you can see. So that is a design function that I love about Showit. So that is what I did. I ended up creating this whole website on Showit, and I just really took my time and designed it exactly how I wanted. Drag and drop, complete design freedom. That's what I love about Showit. So after I did that, I started to build the actual product pages. So we're gonna go to a product page, and this is one of the product pages. Now, originally, I had built this whole page out, But all you need to do is just go to Shopify and you you download the app buy button. Well, you put the app on your Shopify store and it's the buy button. So now you can just go in after you create your products. You can go in and you can get this whole thing, and then you go next. You can design it how you want it. So it could be like the same color. Make sure the button's the same color you want it, and mine's just black. And then you can design the cart, and then you go to next, and you just copy that code, and you put it right here in the embed form. Paste that there. So now you have this, and this is coming from Shopify. So you built your product page, and Shopify's housing it. So once you go to preview it, it's going to be this, and then you can go ahead and see the images, the details. You put this in. All of this you put in here on your products. So you just add your products and add this in. You add the sizes. So now when they go on your Showit page, they can choose sizes, add to cart. Oh, we need to change that. And then boom, you add it. Let's actually take these off. And then we're gonna add a large. Oh no, I gotta fix that. But add to cart, and then they can check out and purchase it through Shopify still. So this Shopify, doing it this way, this is the Shopify subscription that's only $5 a month. So they don't give you a online store. You just pay for the subscription to basically put your products on there and get the buy button, and then you embed it on Showit. So this is for the people who want the design freedom. These are the people I'm talking to. Not everybody wants to do this, but I just want to, show this for the people who do want to, take it a step further and actually design a website that is 100% custom to their liking. The people who, want to have fun, want to not just have a basic website. Shopify has came a long way, but it's still not a drag and drop platform. It's still a lot of design capabilities that you can do if you don't know how to code, and a lot of us don't know how to code. So this is an option. So I paid $30 a month on Showit, and then $5 for Shopify, so $35 a month. Just about the same as just using the Shopify, paying the Shopify monthly. I think it's like 30 or 35. I don't really know. I haven't done that in a long time, but I like this, and I just wanted to show this for the people who want to take it this route. So I will have the link below for the Shopify $5 plan and the Showit free Showit plan that you can click on and use. I think it's for a month. I want to say it's for a month, but it will be in the description. You get a free month with Showit just to try it out. I think this is the hybrid approach that I use, and I just wanted to present this to all of the people who are designers or just business owners who want the design freedom that they deserve. It's 2025. Everyone should have a drag and drop system that they can use on their website to just make it even, customize it even better. So let me know if you have any questions below, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love.